often get asked how to organize pastels so they are easier to use. To answer that, let's look at my Franken set. It's a collection of hard pastels that I carry in a box that was originally a set of 72 Holbeins. The box is sturdy with foam glued into it, and it is my go-to box for plein air. I call it a Franken set because it's made up of different pastel brands, including Holbein's, New Pastel, Faber-Castell, and some Rembrandts. It has traveled with me to Italy 3 times, many paint-outs, and just recently to a workshop in Maine. The box fits neatly into my backpack and onto my 9x12 Gorilla Pochade box. After the paint-outs and workshops, the box is a mess, and it's time to clean the pastels and reorganize them. I like to organize my pastels by value, and when I turn this into black and white, you can see what a mess they are. When they get out of order, it's harder to make decisions. I need to clean them up before I use them again. I begin by finding my value extremes, the lightest light and the darkest dark. I lay them on a piece of paper towel apart from each other. As I remove the other pastels, I'll clean them with a microfiber cloth and then place them by value between the dark and the light, judging if they are light, mid-tone, or dark. If I'm not sure what value the pastel is, I hold it across another pastel to compare. Once they are all clean and out of the box, I begin to put them back. I use the top row for the lights, the middle row for mid-values, and the bottom row for the darks. Each row has a set of primary and secondary colors, as well as some nice ishy colors. So if I need a mid-value red-violet or a dark red-violet, I know right where to look. Knowing the value and color range of my palette and how it is organized is crucial to getting a good painting. There you go. From messy to organized, and I'm ready to paint again. In the next video, I'll show you how I chose the colors for my Franken set and how I used them. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like more in-depth painting lessons, visit my Patreon site, The Painter's Classroom, where for $5 a month, you get lessons in the form of videos, blogs, and handouts. Plus, you get your art questions answered. Thank you for watching.